Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips and lots of videos to get your first job with us. You will get the complete placement solution. You will achieve the success path with us. So please subscribe our channel to get this type of videos and hit the bell icon button beside the subscribe button. So let's start this video. In today's video, I will discuss about two big job notifications which has come from Big Four company. One is come from Ernst and Young, another one is come from Deloitte. So I will discuss in detail. So stay tuned with me and watch the video till end to know all the details. What is the eligibility criteria, exam details, and what is the registration process, all details. Okay. So first we will discuss about the Ernst and Young process of hiring. So it is a off-campus drive. So they are hiring freshers for the position of associate analyst position. So any graduates are eligible. They are mentioning. So we will see that which graduates comes under this any graduates criteria. So EY is a very good and big four company. All of us know about it. Big four accounting company. So it's your role will be associate analyst, which has the rank of 66 in conflicts department. Your job location will be Gurgaon, India. Any graduates are mentioned. So job description, mainly you have to got the chance to build a career as unique as you are. You have to do support inclusive culture technology to become the best version of you. So mainly in the risk management team, EY you will play an important role. So your responsibilities, like you have to develop comprehensive knowledge of UI global and local conflict policies, assist the identification of potential conflicts, become proficient in understanding and using EY proprietary conflicts, learn the firm structure. So good analytical thinking ability to take the decisions are required for this particular drive. Good analytical skills required with a logical mindset. Strong data interpretation skills, must you have to analyze the data and document relevant findings. Self-directed, adaptable to changes in the work environment, must be flexible to work extra hours during peak volume period, must be flexible to work on public holidays. Like when there is a requirement in the project, then you have to work. Okay. So mainly the postgraduate degree from a reputed college is required. 0 to 1 years work experience, preferably in research background. Freshers may be considered, are required. Strong interpersonal and excellent communication skills, written and verbal, are required, and good working knowledge in MS Office is required. So just click on the apply link, it will redirect to the career page of EY. There you will get the once again job description and the responsibilities and what you need to perform there. So they have also mentioned any postgraduate degree from reputed college are eligible. You have to just click on apply now. You can directly apply with your LinkedIn profile. I will suggest to click on the apply now for manual application. Sometimes LinkedIn profile is not reached to the company profile. Okay, so I will suggest to apply, fill the manually form. Just if you have account you can log in, otherwise you have to create your account. So with your email address, password and first name, last name and country of residence, you need to create account. After login you have to fill the professional details and your work experience details and your educational details. So that's the step to apply for the associate analyst position in EY. So moving forward to the next job, which has come from Deloitte, another big four. So Deloitte is coming as the first one of these highest, or according to the ranking of the big four, then coming EY. So I'm just sharing with you the rank of the company in the accounting firm rank list. So your job title will be here: consulting industry freshers, business operation, cloud engineer. You will be there. Your location will be Delhi, and designation will be analyst. Entity is like you will work for Deloitte India LLP. So the team, actually their cloud engineering team focuses on enabling their clients' end-to-end journey from on-premise to cloud with opportunities areas of cloud architect, digital transformation, data center. So lots of things are there. Mainly the scope of area, you have to understand the existing process, facilitate change requirements, experience of architecture, design, strong knowledge in cloud-based practice and hands-on experience in broad set of technology related to IT infrastructure, solve day-to-day issues arising while running robotic processes. So if you have knowledge of RPA tools and RPA tools skill, if you have, then you are really absolute candidate for this. The mainly desirable candidates or the desirable eligibility criteria is bachelor's degree required in IT or computer science or related discipline or equivalent experience. Knowledge in cloud engineering required and digital transformation knowledge you must have. Strong verbal skill and written skills required. At Deloitte, you will be may get a chance to lead a team also. So for additional purpose, manager across their organization develop self by actively seeking opportunities for growth, seek opportunities for change self, build relationship and communicate effectively in order to positively influence the peers. So if you interested in these things, you can click on apply link. So you can check for Delhi analyst position. Once again, you can go through, and for benefits, they provides the value for the people, offer employees a broad range of benefits. So if you want to check their benefits, you can go to the link there, and benefits includes that. So world-class organization, world-class benefits. Obviously, the organization offers benefit programs aimed at helping you better manage your lifestyle. So you will be able to understand when you will join this farm. So I will suggest it's a very good opportunity. I will suggest to apply for it. So just click on apply link. So there are some tips for you by the recruiter team that they want the job seekers opportunities to help you with your interview. They suggest to do research, some background about the organization and the business area you are applying for. So I will definitely show that tips to you, like some recruiting tips they have shared, finding the right job and preparing for it, putting your best foot forward for an interview. So you can connect with the team of the you can connect with the many people who are working in Deloitte India. Just take the tips from them, that what type of question they may ask, and identifying the right question to ask by the interviewer, and be mindful that the person interviewing you probably won't have subject matter knowledge in all things. Have 5 or 6 ready questions to ask your interviewer. Ask what you really want to know. Make sure you tailor your questions to an interviewer. So these tips you can follow. Just click on apply now button. Here definitely the form will be open to you. Same process here, you have to create your account. Otherwise, if you have account, you can directly sign in. Just click on create account, putting your email address, password, first name, last name and country of residence. You have to create your account, and same process, like you have to fill your educational details and relevant experience. If you have, you can share with them. So that's the all process for both the job drive. I have shared to best job, to best companies job in recent days in big four industries. So I think it is really helpful. Please, if you find it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel and share this news with your friends. And also, if you faced any challenge, please let me know in the comment box. I'm here to help you guys.